back to my channel, dogs. It's Deandra Renee, and today I'm going to show you guys a little thing that I like to do with strip lashes that makes me enjoy my lashes like so much more than if I just wear them the regular way. Okay, so let's jump straight into it. Okay, so first I like to start out with my eyeliner, and I just use Elf because it's super cheap and it's really good. So you want to basically line the top lids with a thin line of black eyeliner. Okay, just a basic regular line. Okay, so next step is to take our lashes. I like to order my lashes from AliExpress. I order them in bulk and they're super cheap. So I always get this right here, which comes with a whole bunch of lashes. It's super cheap. I will link it down below. I'm going to start out with one layer of lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out a pair of lashes. And my favorite lash strip adhesive glue to use is by Duo. It's the eyelash adhesive and it's white / clear. Okay, so you'll need some tweezers. So I have my lashes, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I personally like to cut the sides off of my lashes, usually because it'll just be a little longer than the hair comes over, and sometimes that'll kind of like poke me in my eyelid and it'll just irritate me. So I like to cut it off. Let me see if you guys can see it. Okay, so you can kind of see how it's like a little bit extra on the side. So I just take scissors and just cut that right on off, girl. So just like a regular lash, you want to take your lash glue, and I like to squeeze a little bit out right on something. So I'll just use the same container for the lashes, and I like to dab a little out, just a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but I like to take my tweezers and kind of scoop up a little of that glue, and I like to go along the lash, because if you just squeeze it out of the tube, you're gonna have too much lash glue. It's gonna get on the actual hairs of the lash. Like, don't nobody got time for that. So this is just so much easier to where it's like a perfect application, like perfect. You see how thin and just even that is? So I allow my glue to get tacky before I apply it. So I like to blow on it just a little bit. And when it starts getting tacky, it'll start to turn a little clear. So that's how you kind of know it's getting tacky. So I go ahead and then apply the lash. Easy. So here is the regular lash look. I like to take it up a notch. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do next. You're gonna get one more eyelash, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to cut the sides off. So now I'm going to cut the lash in half. I like to kind of flip it upside down and cut it from that way, because that way I don't cut the actual hair on the lash. So as you see, I cut them in half. So I'm going to get some more glue, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to both. Same thing, you want to let it become tacky. Okay, so I'm making sure that I take the one that's longest on the outside and put it on the outer corner. So I'm just stacking this, okay? Literally right on top of my other lash. Okay. You can already see the difference, okay? So I'm going to do the exact same thing with the other piece, but a little bit over now. You can see the difference, okay? Me personally, I love to stack my lashes. Like, it just looks so much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other lash, and then I'm going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes, and I'll be back to show you guys. And here is the finished look, ladies. I love it. I mean, once you you know, really like make the bottom lashes pop too, it just looks so good to me. I absolutely just love it. It's kind of like a cat eye type of look. So this is how I always do my lashes. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys try it out, or if you guys have some other ways that you guys do your lashes, make sure you comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one.